have our annual open house, which allows parents to come in and see what new resources that we have, because education is continuously evolving. So with that, we try to get those resources in for our parents to help their scholars when they are struggling in class, or just to keep them abreast with the subjects in school.
I decided to come out just to see what tools they have for the scholars, and I do have one child that is actually a senior at Provine, and just to see all the different things that they offer, from the pediatrics people that they have, and also the different activities that they'll be having coming up for the summer.
We like to invite some of our community partners and adopters to come out, so we have several of them set up today, as well as giving them a tour of the facility. Our facility goes from pre-K all the way to the freshman year of college. We have partnered with Jackson State and Tougaloo with some of our programs for our scholars, so just to let them know that we're still here for them when they start their freshman year, first semester of college.
But this is so awesome that the different things that they offer the kids to be able to excel and go higher and be productive citizens of the community.